Hi guys, Chinese brand Oppo has been lying low in the Indian market for a while, but now it's making a strong comeback in the form of the new Oppo F1. The Oppo F1 is a nicely designed smartphone priced quite affordably at Rs 15,990, and in terms of core specs offers a 5-inch HD display. The horsepower is provided by an octa-core Snapdragon 616 processor, which is mated to 3 GB of RAM, and there's 16 GB of expandable internal storage. Boasting a full metal unibody design, the Oppo F1 looks quite stylish and is a pretty compact smartphone. The 2.5D curved glass on top along with the rounded corners lend it a very premium feel. Now the Oppo F1 is a camera-centric smartphone and offers a 13 megapixel rear camera featuring face detection autofocus and image stabilization. There's an LED flash for low light shooting. However, the star of the show is said to be the 8 megapixel camera up front. It features quite a few selfie friendly features like screen flash, which lights up the screen when you are taking selfies in dimly lit conditions. Now another selfie related feature is Beautify 3.0. The Oppo F1 runs ColorOS based on Android Lollipop, so it doesn't feature a dedicated app drawer, but you get a variety of other features we've seen on ColorOS before. This here is a dedicated music space. It gets its own home screen on the leftmost side. There aren't too many preloaded apps, but dive into the settings and you'll find a variety of options. There's control over app permissions. There's control over notifications. A variety of gestures are supported, including screen off gestures for double tap to wake, drawing letters on the standby screen for launching apps, controlling the music, or toggling the flashlight. You can capture screenshots using gestures and control volume. The display settings features an eye protection mode that changes the color temperature of the display for reading at night. Just to give you a quick idea of the camera features, here's a look at the camera UI. So you get options like Beautify, HDR mode, Ultra HD, slow shutter, and a GIF mode right up front. This device is capable of shooting images in RAW mode as well. Another feature is double exposure, and more functions can be found in the more functions direction. The other options can be found under more functions, which feature options like an expert mode, a time-lapse mode, and slow-mo videos as well. Here's a quick look at the much touted screen flash feature. So that, guys, was a quick look at the newly launched Oppo F1. Thanks for watching.